Welcome again. In this video, I will talk about the bottom-up approach of selecting stocks. It is used when you sometimes come to know about a stock which is either trending, or probably you hear it from someone, from a broker who says, okay, put that money into this stock. Well, what you can do is you can just directly buy it, but what I would suggest you to is do a quick analysis on Intelliinvest on how that stock is looking. So somebody came up to me and said that, okay, Atul Auto is a good stock and I should put some money into it. Okay, fair enough. Let me have a look. And the stock analysis screen. It hasn't certainly done well today. So it is down 2% when the entire market was relatively flattish. Okay, latest news. Okay, nothing to do. So what I will do is I will go into the fundamental analysis, the first thing, and having a look at it, you would come to know whether it has got some really good credentials or not. So this is a tricky piece because fundamentals is a lagging indicator. So it is something of a past, but it says it has got decent shareholder return is positive. Price to earning is not good. So which is something which says that it has not performed as well as the industry has over recent time. If you look at financial leverage, it says it's bad. That means it has got more debt compared to the industry. So it has debt of 150%. And then this has gone up all the time. Very bad. Nevertheless, it is overall it's good. Debt funding cost is low, which is a bit of a surprise. And it's decently low. So it has got some really cheap source of funding. And I'll just go back, check technicals as well. Technical says, what does technical says? Well, it says it's a buy. Okay, fair enough. So ADX is a wait, oscillator hold, Bollinger hold. You can have a look. So it's a buy. Fundamental was good. Seems like a good stock. Well, the last piece to check is the predict. Let me see what the predict says. So predict actually tells you, it takes historical prices into account and it's tries to predict what would happen in the 1 month from now. So what it says is it would remain flattish. It would go down, come back again, and would stay here somewhere. So fair enough. What I would say is I will just add it to my watch list and see how it does in the near future. I can go back to my watch list and see Atul Auto is added at the top. 5th January was the last buy signal. Do you think it is a buy now? Well, if it is around 415 yet, still, so you can get buy it. This is the bottom-up approach. Well, you can have looked at the industry analysis as well, which we did last step, whether that industry is doing well or not. I missed that point earlier, so you can do it here. Industry, good. So it's in a good industry, not doing that well, but still a buy. Well, the call is yours. Thanks a lot.